I'm going to start the Wilmington to Laura cycle and walking track, stopping at Melrose and then Wirrabara, Stone Hut, and then into Laura. Rail Trail, south rubbish, machinery, leftover stuff. Not a great start. Idlib Road, no cars, one car just went past. We're at 12-kilometre mark, across the road, major road. Okay. Yeah. All good, safe, fairly quiet road. Yeah, rail trail into Melrose officially ends. Oh, find it, here we are. Rail trail. Let's go past the big silos. One and two. On the Booleroo. Okay, 3.8 metre, 3.8 kilometre point. This section's missing a few things called trees. Signpost, we've done 9.8, 29 to Stone. So there's a few fences good to go through this property. It's farmer. 1, 2, 3. Look what you see on trail. 9.7 down. 47. Wirrabara, get closer. We got some seats down the road. Stopped at the last seat in the shade. That one's in the sun, but I'm assuming in the morning it would be shady. Yeah, goes across the road. Maybe not the actual railway line. It's long gone, but close to the actual railway line again. It obviously went through that farmland, and he didn't want the trail to go through the middle of it. Fair enough. Bike lane. So we're coming in Wirrabara. Shade has been scarce. Very scarce on the trail. $19.7, we are there. Just turn right at the pub. Just check out the silo art. Magnificent silo artwork here at Wirrabara. Wirrabara to Stone Hut, 8 kilometres. Then I think it's about another 9 kilometres. 66 in total. And so we have 8 to Stone Hut, and then about 9 to Laura. Rocky River Cycle and Walking Trail, 3 kilometres. Beginner, that's me. If only the rest of the trail was as great as this. Thick pine forest, just bordering the trail. Stayed at Wirrabara Hotel last night. $80. Includes breakfast. Check it out. Lovely comfy bed. Very quiet hotel. Needs a business. So why not? Of bridge has not been replaced, and we go into the floodway, the riverbed. It's quite a significant river. This is Rocky River, I'm assuming. Here, Rocky. To the end of the back road, and we hit the main road running alongside it, so car traffic. Unfortunately, that's all the way to Laura. We'll be running alongside the main road. We've done 3.2. That's 6 to go. Wilmington, Stone Hut. 5 to go. And head to the other side. Nice section through here. Over the river. No bridge, so we on this well-maintained track. Smooth. I know it's new. Woo, what do we got? A bridge. Fabulous. Thank you, peeps. Woo. So we're crossing and taking this road. No signage. I'm only assuming. It's around here. Pine trees on both sides. Gives you some shade. Separation from the road. Up to the bird life. Alright, we're coming up to this strange gap. So this is the end of Stone Hut Trail. We go left and then we come back onto it down there. So that's a nice spot over there, Stone Hut Common. You can rest up there, accommodation. But the bakery's closed at the moment, no baker. So onto the road and then we'll be back on it again. And so you're back on it. 7.6 to Laura, Southern Flinders Rail Trail. Here we go. Tee off, number 9 and number 16. It's par 4 is where you're at, the Laura Golf Club. Sheep grazing, Laura Golf Club. Okay. She's a beauty. The old home. Of those palm trees. Castle. Yeah. Coming up to Laura. Oh, it looks like it hasn't finished. There's a sign saying Stone Hut Laura Rail Trail, so we'll follow this, see where we really finish. Alright, another sign, Rail Trail, down here. C.J. Dennis, born in Auburn, lived at Laura during his formative years. Alright, coming off West Terrace. Well, it's a bit rough section here. We continue on this rail trail following parallel to the highway. Not a very exciting part. It's like farmland, and it's a little bit less maintained than further north. I'm at Idlib Road, and this is the end of the rail trail. Be nice if it continued on. Not yet. Who knows when. Oh, oh sorry.